Welcome, dear viewers. I will show you here uh, how to add your menu bar link, especially Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and also Facebook. So just select customizations, or you have to go direct menu selections and then come here about the menus. Click the menus, and here you can see their menu bar: home, about us, privacy policy, contact us, and Facebooks. So Facebook is a social link, but in a menu bar it is looking like odds. So in this case this is not perfect. For that reasons you have to cancel this, and I have to cancel this. I have to link it Garo 24 named social menu bar, but I have to write social menu bar, and that social menu bar I will link all Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. So how we can do that, I will show you step by step. Don't skip, just click here the view locations social menu bar you are looking here, and I have to delete this Facebook after contact us Facebook, that's link. Here you have to written social menu bar. Okay, this is very important. Social menu bar, you have to write this and add it. Whenever you add this, and link here, which link are you preferring? It's a Facebook. I am linking here Facebook, and then you can publish it. Whenever you publish it, that time this is not showing in social link. So how we can do that? This is very easy and simple. You can do that. First time we have to write social menu bar view link, and here I have to delete it because it's looking like odd. Okay, so here that's the Facebook. Here you are watching that social menu bar. I am writing here social menu bar about the three links which I showing you here. Social menu bar, here is the Facebook. Okay, Facebook, and I add this. Whenever I add this, that will be added with Facebook. Whenever publish this, that will be added in social link. Whenever refresh it, that will be added in social link. But social menu bar is come, but the view locations we didn't select. For that reasons, here you have to select this social link menu and links. Okay, view locations you have to Garo 24 obligate, you have to select social menu bar. Okay, by the that's way it will be come. Okay, and whenever you select, that's your social menu bar. Okay, here you are looking social menu bar, not Garo 24. Garo 24 is home, about us, privacy policy, and contact us. So here social menu bar, and now you can do everything. Add again, we are adding here, already added, that's okay. So Facebook social link already added. So now we are showing you about the view locations social menu. Okay, you have to select this social menu view locations where you have to do that, and now we can link the Facebook pages. That's my car24.com's Facebook link. I already pasted here and already edit. Okay, publish it. So the Facebook edit into selling here. If we click here, directly it will be go to the Facebook page garo24.com. Okay, by that way you can link social menu bar, and this is very easy, but you have to uh, select now I have to add Instagram social link. So same thing we have to do. Just go to the add and add link, and here the Instagram link we have to put right here Instagram, and you have to copy your link and paste here in the link site. Okay, and now whenever you publish it then, and whenever you publish the Instagram already added here here you are watching. Okay, so now we here you can see Facebook and Instagram, and now I can uh, add YouTube social media link icon. Okay, so here I am, here you click custom links and write YouTube and paste the URL upper side it. Okay, here my YouTube channels link, and I copy that and paste here. This is very simple, anyone can do that. Okay, so publish here, see, you are watching, that's here already come the Facebook. Okay, whenever you click it, the Facebook link will be open. Thank you very much. If you were first time in my channel, subscribe my channel and share my channel. Thank you very much.